In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time on your PC. So the first thing that you'll need to do, just hit your Windows key and search for Roblox. If you do have Roblox player, as you can see, you'll find here open file location, that's good. And if you do have just Roblox, in here you find example apps, settings, that's good as well. So what you'll need to do is simply download the other version that you don't have. If you have the Roblox player, that means you have the desktop version. And you'll need to go and download the version of Microsoft Store. So you can go and open your Microsoft Store and simply just look for Roblox, and you should find this right there. So as you can see, here is it, and you can just go and hit the install button. So let's hit installed, and I'll show you an example if you have the Microsoft version and you want to install the desktop version. So you can go to any browser you want, just type Roblox, you'll find this, click on the first link, and you should find yourself here. Of course, if you're not logged in into an account, you can just log in into an account. And what I'll do here, of course, is simply hit the download button. So let's say it's our first time. So if it's our first time, we'll be taken here. And here, as you can see, you'll find you'll have to log in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should be able to download this. Or if you want, you can always just go and type like Roblox download, and you'll be able to download this right away. So click in here and click on download, then download it into your PC. So once you're done as example, I'll be able to click on play. And as you can see here, I'll be able to log in into my account and play Roblox on this. So I can just go here and sign in. Of course, one thing that you'll not be able to sign in, use it, or play on the same account. So as example here, I do have a Roblox here now, and I do have a Roblox here now. I can go and play it, both of them at the same time, but I'll need different accounts. So I can just go here and click on sign in or create an account as example, like create an account, and you can simply just go and interrupt your informations. So let me just go and do something here and fill up like my informations, confirm birthday, username. Let's just do this. What about this? It's in use like this, good. And here I'll just go and create a password, and this, click on create an account, and I guess I should be good to go. So just wait a little bit to verify this I'm not a robot. And here we are. Now, what are we going to do is simply go and enter the game that you want, like here. And here, example, I'm going to enter the game that I want, like this example here. And as you can see, I'll be able to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time on the PC. So I can just go here to this tab and simply play, and again, go back to this tab and play. As you can see, very simple. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.